Okay, I've had a chance to work on your design a bit, and this is what I've come up with so far. This is my first attempt, based on this setup here. With a couple changes based on your email. You can see the island. I can actually shrink this island a little bit in length. Right now, if you measure from the edge of the countertop, looking at it upside down, from the edge of this countertop to the edge of this one, is 101.5 inches. Generally, you want 30 inches of space for each chair. It would be kind of tight if I added a chair on this side of the island. That's why I put one chair over to the side. There's your 5'6" window from edge of trim to edge of trim. And there's your 5-foot double door from edge of trim to edge of trim. There's your pantry closet, which is 8 feet this way and 51 inches this way. I do think that changing the door from here to over here is a wise move. Because there's quite a bit of walk space here, I've got 24 inches of depth here, and I've got 12 inches of storage depth here on the seating side of the island. And we can configure these 3 cabinets however you'd like. But at the moment, I have a cabinet here with 2 doors and a drawer, and roll-out trays behind these 2 doors. This cabinet is identical to this cabinet. Then I have a bank of 3 drawers. And over here, these doors, this is storage for seasonal items, I would say. Because the chairs would make the storage a little bit harder to access, of course. And then we have a refrigerator. I like to build in the refrigerator, give it a built-in look, so I put panels on either side of it. And then a deep wall cabinet above. You can see the crown molding. I don't know how high your ceilings are going to be. Generally they are 95 inches high, but that might not be the case. If that is the case, then I would add a fascia board and then the crown molding touching the ceiling. Very nice landing area on either side of the stove. Bank of 3 drawers, bank of 3 drawers. Doesn't have to be though, obviously. You can mix and match that a little bit. We got some nice wall storage, more wall storage, diagonal wall cabinet. Another small cabinet here. Super Lazy Susan in the corner, which is always the best thing in the corner. That's what this cabinet looks like. There'll be 2 trays that revolve independently of each other inside this cabinet. The trays are about 32 inches in diameter. That's why they call it a Super Lazy Susan. Then this would be a cabinet with a drawer and a door that actually pulls out, and there'd be trash storage here. Double trash storage. 36 wide sink base, dishwasher. Bank of 4 drawers so you can store your knives and spoons right next to the dishwasher. Very good plate storage on this wall cabinet. And again, cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, and I've got roll-out trays behind these 2 doors. So that is the general idea and tour of a kitchen. Probably would help if you selected appliances to further refine this. For example, some folks might want double ovens, and obviously this plan would change significantly if you wanted double ovens. A good place to search for, to narrow down your choices rather quickly, is to go to ajmadison.com. I wouldn't buy anything here, but you can look for refrigerators, French door refrigerators. They have almost every make and model. These are all the makes and models, and then you can filter your choices down. You're probably going to go with a 36 inch because, as you can see, you get the most choices with a 36 inch wide refrigerator. And there's going to be a lot of French door options, and then you can read reviews. And out of the hundreds and hundreds of refrigerators available, you can narrow down your choices to maybe 2 or 3. Same going with a cooking. Like, for example, if you wanted, they got your microwaves, they got your gas cooktops, electric cooktops, range tops. So this is a great way to narrow down your choices for appliances. But that is my first attempt. Let me know if you think I'm on the right track, or if you have some appliances that may require some special space considerations.